We are a startup company. We're a UK-based startup company. We're very fortunate. We are based in Cheshire at Thornton Science Park. We came here because we had an idea. And the idea was, how do we make an ice pack more efficient, more beneficial? This was a result of me hurting my ankle and having to go to A&E. Try resting your leg in bed with an ice pack. It's not easy. The bed got wet and everything was a disaster. The rest in elevating was easy. The icing was rather hard. I thought, well, why? Why can't we have something that works? We were really, really fortunate. We approached the I2C based at Thornton Science Park, which is part of Chester University, and they very kindly agreed to give us the support we needed. We thought we had a really good product, but we needed assistance. We needed to prove what we actually claimed was true, and that's where the I2C came in. They were brilliant. We were also very fortunate that Manchester University and Royce Institution agreed to help us by testing our material to ensure the product we were producing was top quality. There was such a thing called a peel test. We came out very well with that. Through the I2C, we got to go to work down at Rees Heath Equine Centre with the students, because obviously cold therapy is as important to a horse as it is to a human being in many ways. We've also done the Kooley Equine Pad, which works the same principle. It doesn't freeze, therefore it's able to wrap around the horse's joints. Kooley Cold Pad has the ability to actually change the way cooling therapy is made. There are many, many ways that cooling therapy will actually bring a degree of comfort. And we want to grow, and we're really proud of our product, and we hope people will try it and they'll actually see where we can go with that. And we're really, really excited about it.